Today, we're going to unlock a simple yet powerful tool that can help you double your money over time. It's called the Rule of 72. So, how does it work? The Rule of 72 is a quick way to estimate how long it will take for your money to double based on your investment's interest rate. Here's how you apply it. Let's say you're investing in an index fund with an average annual return of 7%. Using the Rule of 72, you divide 72 by the return rate. 72 divided by 7 equals 10 years. That means at 7% annual return, it would take about 10 years for your money to double. Let's take it one step further and dive into a different example. Imagine you have $1,000 and you're earning 5% annually on your investment. According to the Rule of 72, you divide 72 by 5, which gives you around 14.4 years. That means it'll take you just over 14 years to turn that $1,000 into $2,000. No extra effort on your part. All you're doing is letting your money grow by taking advantage of compound interest over time. The Rule of 72 shows us just how powerful compounding can be. You don't need to be an expert in finance to make your money work for you. Just be patient and let time do its thing. This is why choosing the right investments is so important, whether you're looking into stocks, bonds, or index funds. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips to help you grow your money. Thanks for watching.